Ever wonder why some people seem to glide through their week with clarity and momentum, while others constantly play catch up? It's not luck or even talent, it's strategy. High performers don't wait for life to get less chaotic, they build structure into chaos. And it starts with one thing: a weekly planning ritual. Studies from the American Psychological Association show that people who plan ahead experience significantly lower stress and higher productivity. In fact, Harvard Business Review highlights that top executives spend up to 25% of their time reviewing, refining, and planning, not reacting. I used to roll into Mondays already behind, inbox overflowing, priorities unclear. But once I claimed my Sunday evenings, everything changed. Now, I sit down with a journal, not to make a to-do list, but to reflect. What moved me forward last week? What drained me? What am I carrying into the next 7 days that doesn't belong? From there, I anchor my week to 3 non-negotiable priorities, things that, if completed, would make the entire week a win. I protect blocks of deep work. I schedule space to think, rest, and create. And I align my calendar with my values, not just my tasks. It's not about filling every hour. It's about making every hour mean something. If your life feels reactive, start with this one shift. Block 30 minutes this weekend. Turn off the noise. Ask yourself what matters most right now and build your week around that. You don't need to control everything, just your focus. And when you master your week, you begin to master your life. The world moves fast, but clarity, that's your competitive edge. So slow down, plan with purpose, and let your schedule reflect the life you're actually trying to build.